In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn in a file into Google Classroom. And so let's begin. First, let's make a file. Let's open Microsoft Word. So you click the search button, you type Word, then you'll have this. Click Word 2016. Next, you have to click the blank document. So when you see this name on the top in the title bar, it means your document is not saved yet. We need to save this first by clicking File and then Save As. It is a good practice to give your work a file name before you start working with it. So save it first. So I'm going to save my work in desktop, but you might have other folders. You must save it in your own folder. So over here, I'll change the file name. Alright, and then click Save. Then I'll write my name here. And so when you are done doing your work, you need to save it again. This is the shortcut button for saving. Click it one time. Now we are ready to turn in this file into Google Classroom. So open Google Chrome and then log into your Gmail. And then you need to click here for the Google Apps and then Google Classroom. Click the classroom name. Then you go to classwork. And for this activity, it will be this classwork, so I will click it. And then view assignment. So here's how you actually turn in a file into Google Classroom. So this is the button. You need to click this. It says add. You have three options here: Google Drive, link, and file. Now the first two, this is for those files that are saved online, like in your Google Drive or in a website. So what you need is file. You need to add a file. File means the file is in your folder, in your local drive. So click it. Now before you actually put the file here, you need to close your Microsoft Word first to make and save it to make sure you are turning in the latest edited file. So you need to be in the upload. Click the okay. So I saved my file on desktop last time, so it's in here. So I will select it, and then I will click open, and then upload. So once it's done uploading the file, you will have this, and this is the last step that you will do. Click turn in. That's it. You're done. That's how you turn in a file into Google Classroom.